Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Matt Steele. Thank you for checking in. I sincerely appreciate it. Sorry, I'm a little distracted right now. Anyway, I've been thinking of some ways to revamp kind of what I want to talk about and more importantly, what wants to be heard. I guess is more the way to go. So, as much as I want to talk about some certain topics, I know there's some good stuff out there that I would love to do a video on. One of the things I wanted to add on my channel was a little section on how to, whether there be how to train a dog, how to do some certain things, technology. I like to work with technology a lot. And expand my vast knowledge to you, the viewer, in some form or fashion. Because I know I use YouTube a lot, whether it be something wrong with my car, how to do something on Facebook, where's this button that I can't seem to find on my iPhone, you name it. I love Googling things and also YouTubing videos to learn certain aspects of my world, whether it relates to me or not. So one of the things I think we can start out with that's pretty simple. Actually, I think I already have a how-to on there, but one of the new ones now that I'm revamping kind of my website, and I apologize for the crappy background poster. It just seems to be there, and I like it, and that's where it stays for now. But one of the things I think we can start off with is a lot of people ask me how, when you have the Netflix app on your phone or iPad, is there a way to get it on your TV without having a smart TV? Or to have Charter or Comcast come out there and figure it out for you and pay them a lot of money? The answer to that is yes, there is. There is a way to do that. So I thought that would be a great video to do, is to show you how to get Netflix on your TV or any platform, basically, because Netflix is so lax in the rules on who can sign and where and how. So I think that would be a great thing to start with. And we'll try to do it simple steps and see where it goes. Here we go. So obviously the goal is to get Netflix, which is on my iPad here, onto my television screen. And I don't have a smart TV. It's just a standard LCD TV. So there are a few things you will need before you start, and that's very crucial. One of them is you will need a high definition cord, and these aren't that expensive. You can get them for as much as $40. Then they can be as high as $99, but it's basically they have that prong on them on both ends. That is really not clear, and I really apologize. Okay, there you go. Now, what will be $50 is this little piece. And you can get these at Best Buy, online, but it's basically a jack. And this part fits into my iProduct, just into the charging charging port, excuse me. And then it's got two parts. It's got the part where the high definition cable goes in. Then it's also got a place for any other thing I want to put in there as far as iProducts are concerned. So you will need those two things before you do anything else. Now there are these for Android as well. These are expensive. They are expensive, and you go to Walmart, anywhere else, and you go take a look at them, they are locked in a case. They are that small and useful for many things. So you will get a lot of stares if you sit there and shop just because they'll be wondering what you're doing. So this is the one that you will need for iPhone. If you want to run anything for Netflix or anything else for that matter, from your iPad, iPhone, the television. And then you obviously have to have the Netflix app. First thing we're going to want to do is take the high definition cable, go back behind your television, and find the area that says HDMI in, which is high definition cable port. So we're going to connect that. I'm going to switch hands here so it's a little easier. As such, I run this cable down to this end, and then that jack that we bought at Best Buy that cost $50, grab that, and put that in that side. Excuse me. As such. So you got the white connected to the black. Going to the TV. There's nothing on it yet. Now, we take this part and we connect that into the product. So we have our product, which is my iPad, the jack. This runs the TV. Voila. Whatever's on my iPad is now on my TV, which makes it nice for a lot of different things. Games, which are kind of cool, but for the purposes of what we're doing, we're still going to have to run Netflix from here. So that's why the cord is long. So there we got our shows. We have our shows on there as well. So let's say we want to watch the rest of Doctor Strange. It should say TV. Now playing on your TV. So it is. And it's that easy. All you really need is, like I said, you can do it from your phone as well, but I'm doing it from my iPad because I need my phone to record. But so you need basically the jack, and then a long cord, and you can extend that however you want. You're still going to have to run volume from here. You still have to run volume here. You're still going to have to run your shows from here. But you can play it on your TV. The important thing as well is you're not going to see it on your TV right away. So if you go to source, and this might be very obvious, but to some people it's not. So I hit source. My source is going to bring up the different ports. There's one for my PC. Source. If I go up to HDMI 2, and that's where my Netflix is playing. I wish I had a sling ring. Anyway, it's that easy. So hopefully that helps. And very simple. A lot of people think you need a smart TV to run Netflix from there, but you don't. Hopefully that helps. It's very easy to do. A lot of people, including myself, when I first was trying to figure this out many years ago, when things weren't as simple, I just wanted what was on my phone or tablet to be on the TV, basically just like a bigger monitor. The guy who was explaining it to at Best Buy didn't seem to get that. He sent me home with $300 worth of equipment that I didn't need. And I figured it out with just basically plugging in a USB cord into my TV. So, simple fixes for very cool things. And hopefully you enjoyed that. And I can add more very simple tech videos for people. And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for following along.